Welcome back to the channel, first and foremost. So we're stepping right into it. I'm getting these rods and pistons balanced out. So I was provided with two sets of rods, so I have another set right here. You can't really see, I think it's out of the view of the camera. I'm gonna choose these over here that are the lighter rods. I also balanced the pistons earlier. So I'm gonna get these things together and get them into the block. Alright, I did that to just get the oil pump moving. Just gonna help wake it up a little. Alright, so I didn't realize that I didn't even have the camera on. Just start this thing back up, turn this off. I'm gonna leave it running. Even though I just had the car running, it's actually been about a day later. I drove the car around and basically this thing had a oil leak right around here. So I was thinking like maybe the silicone didn't seal on the block in the oil pan. I realized that it was coming from the rear main seal. Try to warranty the rear main seal because the thing is brand new and the car is only, car literally ran for a day. Yeah, so this thing is in street legal. No plates, no nothing. So I drove it around a block, maybe like three, four times. And parked it up just to make sure nothing funny was going on. But yeah, left it overnight. Saw a little puddle on the floor. I don't know how well you have to see this, but seal is brand new. It's actually not leaking from the seal. It's leaking from this little bridge right here. I'm just gonna render this thing defective. And right now the engine is leaning because there's no transmission holding it up. Yeah, so it created that little ridge right here. I don't know why this thing was leaking. And a little extra silicone should not hurt this thing because this thing is pretty stout, pretty firm. I'm gonna let this thing drain out, do what it needs to do, and then we'll get back to it in the morning. I've laid down a fucking bead that not even Thanos could make disappear, boy. Touched up the sides. So we're gonna pop this thing on, let it sit for a little while, a couple hours probably. almost lost the camera as y'all saw. I took the car around the block. I actually just got a check engine light. So I'm gonna bring it in and scan it. So you see the knock retard is at 0, but the codes we were getting before was for a random misfire, which could actually just be from this thing having rods and pistons in it, especially the pistons. Because the knock sensor isn't calibrated to work with the forged pistons. So to a 10.9, 11 point whatever of manifold absolute pressure. Now it's in inches of mercury. Inches of mercury is about 1 inch of, or 0.1 inch of mercury or something like that, or 1 inch of mercury is half a pound of boost. If it was in vacuum, this would say negative. Maybe 5 pounds of boost, I'm gonna say, because if we cut that in half, we'll get about 5 or a little bit more. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna check this thing out. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed some of those races that I go to. I usually don't post those on, I guess I should start posting those in the shorts. The BMW, I got something in the works right now. I can't really show y'all. I just don't feel like going over there. So I appreciate you for watching. This is where we're gonna leave off with the Miata at this point. I'm gonna work out the little bugs, figure out what's going on with that little misfire. Like I said, it could be just the rods, or mainly the piston setup, because the knock sensors and these things aren't calibrated for that. I also upgraded the spark plugs to a turbo forged spark plug, which I don't know if this thing would even mind, because technically it's a turbo Ford, or like a Ford Focus or something like that. So maybe I should just pop back in the stock spark plugs and see if that changes anything. Here she is, man. But again, appreciate you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the racing clips in the video, and please leave something down in the comments what you think about this video versus the other ones. I'd like some feedback from you guys, because I don't really see a lot of you in the comments. Not too many comments and likes in general. So if you could, please share the videos, hit the like button, subscribe. So you guys got the information. Till the next one.